You might be wondering why the mobility scooter is on its side. Well, I ordered a motorcycle Underglow kit from XK Glow. So we're gonna put this on. Don't know how of a detailed installation I'm gonna do, but these are the light strips right here, and then these are the lights, the other lights that will go on. So I'm just gonna try to at least mock these up. I'm gonna use some masking tape to kind of tape them in the spots I think they'll be good in. Then we'll try it out and see how it looks. Alright, got everything mocked up. So I got a light under there, and back there, and under the rear wheel. And I put the light strips under the center, and got the other lights there, and over there. So I'm gonna get the wheels back on, and we'll flip it upright, hook up the battery, and give it a little test. So I got the lights installed. It looks pretty good. Alright, so back out here, and going to wipe the light connections with alcohol swab, and then also the back where you're going to stick it on. And you're going to want to put the 3M tape that they provide, which is right here. You're going to put it on both of these plugs together, one strip. So I'll show you how to do that. And we'll get all these things actually attached instead of just masking tape. Now that I've looked at how the lighting is, I like how it's so smooth. You know, it's not bright spots, you know, in certain spots. So only thing is, I'm gonna move the one above the back wheel a little further in because I didn't like how it was shining right on top of the tire. So other than that, I think it's gonna look pretty good, especially with these strips right in the center. That really helps even out the light. So I'm gonna keep on installing this. So I got all the 3M stickies put on the back of the lights, and pretty much ready to stick them on. Just wanted to show you, it's kind of nice to have the backing, the sticky backing on both to help keep the plug plugged in as well. So that's a really good design from XK Glow. Just make sure you check them out. This is the motorcycle kit. But yeah, they make it for cars, and they make actually light up antenna whips, which would be pretty cool on this. So maybe eventually I'll save up for one of those. But this is really going to be added safety to this mobility scooter. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about it. So I got this top area done, the one side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the center strips, then I'll flip it on the other side after I get the wheels back on. Flip it on the other side, get the other side done, and I'm gonna tuck up all these wires. They provided zip ties and extra 3M tape with clips to hold the wire, so I'll do a better install, clean this up a little bit, and we'll get to the other side. Alright everybody, so I got all the lights installed. Got the wires ran nice and neat, tucked up out of the way so you can't see them, and also they're protected from any tire catching them or anything like that. So let me get these wheels on, and I'm going to tuck up the wires up in the battery area.